Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a website that will teach you how to type on a keyboard, which includes everyone from beginners to advanced learners. The website we are going to use is called typing.com. typing.com. This is their main website. So under the Learn to Type for Free option, you are going to select Start Typing Today. This will show you your learning dashboard. If this is something that you want to use consistently, I would recommend creating a free account, as this will save your progress as you go. So you can always click here, create free account, and then you would fill out this information and click on the sign up when you're finished. On this left-hand side, you can see that there are sections for beginners, intermediate learners, and advanced learners. So you can click on whichever level here that you would like, and it will show you a list of exercises that you can begin practicing. So let's start with Beginner Lesson 1. Every lesson opens up a video that will play. You can just click on this Skip Video button. Now your lesson will open up. Follow the prompts on the screen. You will also see these two hands on the keyboard. The key that you need to press, the J key here, is going to flash blue. You also need to make sure that you use the same finger to press the key as the one that's on the screen. For example, for the J key, they are showing it, your right index finger is going to be the one pressing the J. In this, if you keep practicing with the correct finger on the correct key, this will help you become a faster typer. So let's do these prompts, J, and then press enter to begin. We'll press enter on the keyboard, and then it gives you progress. And then if you didn't want to do all 11 activities in this lesson, you can always click on this back to lessons option. You can also click on a random lesson here on the side as well if you wanted to skip ahead. But then you can also click on this back arrow up here to take you back to your learning dashboard. This concludes our overview of typing for beginners. If you don't have a computer to type on, feel free to visit your local library and staff will be happy to set you up on one.